Hey Tony, it's Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking over your website, you guys have some great call to actions here that will really help with your conversion rates. You guys have a good looking site here. I would recommend adding more content to your homepage. Google has what's called crawlers, and they are crawling the internet 24/7. So they are going through all of this content that's on here, seeing what your photos are saved as, looking for what's called keywords. And you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And one example of a keyword is Dallas foundation repair. And when your customers are searching for this, the first thing that's popping up here are some ads. And if we scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these other businesses would be to have a Google business profile with more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp. And then you want a good amount of reviews and geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. So the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing. And this is where your website would be ranking. And you want to be on this first page because 90% of people will stay on this first page here. So let's take a look at this #1 ranking website for this keyword. So if we look at Premier Foundation here, it looks like it'd be really easy to outdo them with content. So let's take a look at the back end of each website. So I have Premier plugged in first to Ahrefs. We're going to look at some ratings that are pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. So they have 35 and 7. And what's making up these ratings here are they have just over 3,000 backlinks. And these backlinks are coming from 187 referring domains. And what a backlink is, it is one website linking to another one, like a shout out. And it is important to note that not all backlinks are the same. There are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers, and there are spammy ones that will bring them down. So it is important to be intentional. And then Premier has 270 keywords on their website. And I have your URL plugged into Ahrefs here. And you guys have 20 and 5 coming from 228 backlinks from 40 referring domains. And you all have 94 keywords on your website. And so what you'd want to do here is have these numbers beating your competitors. So you want more high quality backlinks to boost those numbers, and then making sure that you have all the buyer intent keywords that apply to you on your website. And one way to get more high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. So you would go into your competitors' backlinks here, and then you would link them to your website as well, because if it's working for them, it would work for you. And then let's take a look at some of the keywords they're ranking for. So foundation repair Dallas, 1,000 people are searching for this every single month. Dallas foundation repair, 150. Foundation repair Dallas TX, 100. 80, 100. 50, 40, 80. And so this list just keeps going. And so in order for you to get some of this traffic for yourself, you would want that Google business profile ranking, so have more citations there. And then with your website, you would add more content and buyer intent keywords on there. as well as having more high quality backlinks. That way you're increasing your trustworthiness and your authority of your website. And I hope that this video was valuable for you. I would love to hear from you to find out if it was helpful or not. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.